Hello, beautiful souls. I'm Asa, your radiant guide here to remind you of the limitless beauty, strength, and power within you. Let's take this moment to breathe deeply, center ourselves, and affirm the truth of who we are. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. I am worthy of love and respect just as I am. My essence radiates undeniable beauty and grace. My strength and resilience are my superpowers. They rise within me like an unshakable flame. I embrace my unique beauty and celebrate my heritage, carrying the wisdom and power of those before me. I trust my intuition and honor my inner voice. It guides me with clarity and love. I deserve success, joy, and abundance in all areas of my life. I open my heart to receive them freely. I release self-doubt and step into my power with confidence. I move forward boldly, knowing I am unstoppable. I am enough just as I am. I am deserving of all good things, and I claim them with grace and gratitude. Carry these affirmations in your heart and let their energy guide your thoughts, actions, and dreams today. Know that your light shines brightly, illuminating your path and inspiring others. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with me, Asa. If these affirmations lifted your spirit, be sure to subscribe for more inspiring moments like this. Together, we'll continue to create, inspire, and thrive. You are powerful, you are radiant, and you are ready to conquer your day with grace and joy. Until next time, beautiful soul.